toy fans, and back with another video. Today I got a package. It is a certain type of package that we're gonna open. So much tape. Wonder who it is. Ooh, this is weird. Because I don't remember seeing this girl. If you're wondering what this toy is from, it is from She-Ra. And yes, this is used. It's off of eBay. Whoa! Who is this?
And the masters of the universe.
She's cool. Or if it is really a she. She comes with a little scepter. That's cool.
This is Cringer, my fearless friend. Fabulous secret power.
I did find out her name. It is Evil Lynn. And you know who enemy she is fighting against? Dun 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 dun. Here's another figure I got. You got some? Yeah. So you can fight.
Cringer became the mighty Battle Cat, and I became He-Man.
She's a little dirty, but that's okay.
Powerful man in the universe.
Yeah. And here's one of my other toys I got a long time ago. This is Double Trouble. She has two faces, so you see she's in a peaceful face. See how her head turns and a mean face. And it goes back to nice. So I thought that was nice. And we got this figure today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!